Now we're going to have a look at some tools where you can combine ideas and elements together. And these ones are useful, say, for activities in the classroom, if you happen to be in a classroom with computers, or your students maybe have brought their computers along, or you're setting a task where they have to collaborate and you don't necessarily you require them to be physically in the same place. They can collaborate online. So we'll go through a couple of these just to see how they work. I'm just going to rearrange my screen for a second. This first one's called ThingLink. Let's find out what it's all about. So I'm logged in here at the moment. You have to create an account. And let's have a look at my channel. So here's one that I've created. You can see you can invite people to collaborate with you. So this is an image that I've sourced from the web. It's just a Creative Commons image. But we're broadly speaking about the concept of pollution. So this looks like a fairly dirty kind of back alley. And I've put a comment on here saying rusty pipes are a precursor, but this is just how you get around editing. So you go into edit mode, and you can pretty simply just add and place. You can provide a link. You can provide a link to anything. It can be a video, it can be another image, it can be an article online. Okay, so I'm making up some fairly sort of silly comments here, but you can get the idea. You'd probably ask your students to have something interesting to collaborate to say. And so when we come back to the original, you can see now there's another dot there allowing you to hover over and then see the comment. So Poplet's something that you can see these building in real time. So I'm actually logged in as Jupiter on another computer. So as Mars, I'm the owner of this Poplet, and Jupiter J is the collaborator. So I might make another little string out, a little box out here, and this time I'm going to add a YouTube video. Search for pollution. See what it turns up. Okay, I haven't previewed it, but I'm just going to add this one because it seems like the image would probably be on the same topic. You can play it out right there in the window.
Pollution, the presence or introduction into the environment.
Okay, so it might be a bit of a silly video, but you can see how this is. And I'm going to flip over to the other computer here, and I'm going to add an item. So here's Jupiter. I might create another Poplet window. Okay, and I'll zoom out a bit here, and you can see that that's automatically created that. You can have a lot of different collaborators, I think up to about 10, and you can see how in a short space of time you can get a lot of ideas coagulating around the one topic. Here's another very interesting one called Popcorn Maker. Here's what I've got here is a video about from Infowars.com about something called the 3D printable gun. And you can see that you can move it around in the timeline here. You can set in and out points, and you can play it back. Once again, you're hearing the audio coming through my iMac speakers there, so I'm talking on a microphone headset. The audio would be normal when it's played back. And now you can start to add things like a pop-up, which is research Alex Jones, who's the host. Okay, and you'll see how this works. You can shorten that. You'll see how this works when I replay it.
By the way, the next segment in.
Okay, so really I want to put that over here because this chap's name is Alex Jones.
By the way, the next segment in studio.
And then maybe I want to move this over here and resize it a little bit. There we go, that's probably more like it. You can add a Google map, you can add a Twitter comment, an image, a loop. You can do some simple editing, you can add a Wikipedia entry, and you can share it all as well. This is a Mozilla product, by the way. So what it's doing is it's giving some context to a YouTube video. It's allowing you to add in layers of information which make the reading of that video richer by different layers. So again, another way of combining ideas together around a central theme. This is the remix button, and it allows you to see how it was made. So it takes you into the Popcorn Maker interface. This is really good for learning how to use it. So you can see how to put these layers together. Okay, so sorry, I had two things running at the same time. Okay, that's enough of that one.